We want to identify the shaded region in the diagram below. We need to identify the lines which are the boundaries of the region. It's between these two lines and above this one. This is the line y equals -3. It's drawn as a solid line. Since the region is above this line, one inequality would be y is greater than or equal to -3. Now consider this line. We know that straight lines generally have the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c the y-intercept. This goes through the origin, so c is 0. Now consider the gradient. If we go 1 across to the right, we go 1 up. The gradient is equal to the rise, which is 1, divided by the run, giving us a gradient of 1. Therefore, this is the line y equals x. This line here is parallel to y equals x, and the intercept is here at -3. So this must be the line y equals x minus 3. Note it has the same gradient, but the intercept is -3. Our region is between these two lines. We need a test point. Let's take this point, the point 2, 1. So x is 2 and y is 1. Looking at y equals x, if we have y is 1 and x is 2, we can see the correct inequality is 1 is less than 2. So y is less than x. It's a solid line, so we'll have that y is less than or equal to x. Now consider y is x minus 3 using the same point. This side becomes -1, and the correct inequality is a greater than. So we have y is greater than x minus 3, and since it's a dashed line, it stays as a greater than. We could write these last two as a combined inequality, y is greater than x minus 3 and less than or equal to x.